Hey guys, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can solve the problem of you not being able to comment on TikTok. So first you need to go to your profile on the bottom right corner, and then you just need to click the three lines on the top right corner and you can see settings and privacy. You just go in there and click privacy. So the first problem you may have is if you go to comments here within privacy, you will be able to see this allow comments from, and it's gonna be either set to everyone or friends. If somebody has it set to friends and if you are not friends with them, you will not be able to comment on their videos. So this may be your first problem. You cannot really change that. You can either be their friends or not comment on their video. The second problem you may have is you've commented a bunch of times and TikTok basically suspended your commenting ability, and this may take 24 hours to resolve in its own. But the important thing which you need to do is that you don't go on with the mass commenting, because then TikTok may suspend your account for a longer period of time. So another thing you always have to try is just to restart your phone. Is the first thing you can try because this is the easiest. The second thing is just go to your profile, go to the three lines on the top right corner, go to settings and privacy again, and then you just go to free up space. Then you're just gonna clear the cache, then close the application, reopen the application and see if this problem has been resolved. If you haven't mass commented on TikTok or anything but you still have this problem and it hasn't resolved with any of these solutions, what you can try is just delete TikTok and reinstall it, but this is gonna delete your drafts and you won't be able to see them again anymore, so just be aware of that. Alright, so all in all, this is how to solve the problem of you not being able to comment on TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.